Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this premium Sunlight White HRV Advance. Now of course this is the 1.5 self-charging hybrid. You do get 4 front parking sensors as standard, LED headlights, LED fog lights, and of course you get these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear now, as you'll notice, you've got 4 rear parking sensors, you've got a reversing camera just up there as well, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. You've then got as standard a full electric opening tailgate like so, which you can get 60-40 split flat folding rear seats in the rear. You've then got a little bit of additional storage just below as well, and then coming back out to the boot lid, you just press the little button on the left and it will automatically drop back down. Walking around the car, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got the black cloth with black leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've got full electric windows all round, and of course we do have your keyless drive, keyless entry and keyless start. Moving over to the middle, we've got your electric handbrake with your brake hold. We've got your hill descent and your drive select, which has got your Econ, normal and sport. You've then got your eCVT gearbox with 2 USB ports in the middle. Got your dual climate control in the front with your heated seats as well. We've got a 9.5-inch display with your satellite navigation and your various audio sources just there. Of course, this does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functions as well. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left, your Bluetooth, we've also got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your heated steering wheel. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has only done 10,678 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this HRV, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.